Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So we are going to be doing a 2-in-1 video because I have so many videos coming out this week from the goals and the check-in, stuffing my sinking funds in my cash envelopes, doing my budget. So we're going to do a 2-in-1. Let me know down below if you like this at the end of the video. So we're going to do the September recap and then we are going to be doing the October goals. As I said, it will be a 2-in-1 video. So we are going to start with the September recap. And I think I did really, really good, you guys. I really do. All right, so first and foremost was reach 1,000 subscribers. And I have reached 1,000 subscribers at like the beginning of September, and it was amazing. I cannot thank y'all enough for y'all's support, for subscribing to my channel and everything. Absolutely means the world to me. And I'm still doing a giveaway. I just have to figure out what I want to give away. I want to do a planner, but I'm not sure if I want to do the Happy Planner, the Erin Condren Planner, or the Clever Fox. So if you have any ideas of what I should be giving away, let me know down below. But like I said, I am extremely, extremely happy, and I'm so grateful for you guys. Like, this is amazing. As of right now, because it is October 1st, so happy October, I am at 1,042, I think, subscribers. So that is a lot of subscribers. We jumped like 60 subscribers maybe, because I did start off with 979. So that is crazy, you guys. So we're going to do 1,042 minus 979 equals, I got 63 subscribers, you guys. That is insane. And just to let y'all know, if y'all are new, I absolutely love going and supporting new subscribers. I love supporting you guys. I love getting to know you guys. So if y'all have a channel, let me know down below, because I will go and subscribe to you and get to know you guys. All right, $50 towards debt. You guys, I am just struggling on this debt. It's probably because all of this medical bills that has been coming up. It's just not doing, I don't know, I'm just not doing good. But I did do $25 out of $50. So I'm just going to highlight half, because I did half of it. I did $25, which I know this is really bad. I feel really bad. But let's just move on before I get really depressed about that. All right, number 3 is save $100 each for Christmas and Black Friday. And I'm happy to let y'all know, so let's just flip over. For Christmas, we did $25 and $75 on the second paycheck. And then Black Friday, $25 on the first and $75 on the second, which means that was $100, you guys. So we can fill in this stuff. And literally the next day, I spent that $100 for my Christmas to buy my mom one of the Christmas presents. So, yeah. But we still did it. I still bought something for Christmas, so it's a win-win. So it's fine. And then college, we said save $100, so we put $25 first one and $75 on the second one. And you guys, just to let you know, I put on October 1st, which is today, I put in my nursing application. So I will know in 4 weeks if I get it, and hopefully I do, but it is very hard to get in at the college that I'm going to go to, because it is on a point system. So there's 58 points that you can get. I think I am at 42, I think, or something like that. So I don't know what's the lowest that they will accept this go around. So that is what we are planning on doing. All right, so for September is sell 2 items on eBay. So I sold 2 video games. One was at $9.20, and the other one was at $9.54. So that is actually sent to my PayPal, and I'm not going to withdraw it, because I'm going to actually put that either towards wedding fund, or if I need to buy something off of like Etsy or eBay or something like that. So that is it. All right, you guys. So this is the September goals. So we have done 4 out of the 5. We only did half of that one. So we did reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you again. We only did $25 towards debt. We saved $100 each for Christmas and Black Friday. We saved $100 towards college, and then we sold 2 items on eBay. All right, so get a good look at that because that was actually a really, really good month for me. Now we're going to flip it over to October. Now I have not done my plan with me for October because I thought I still had a week left in September, but I don't. And I ordered a kit from Simply Cami. It should be in, while you are watching this, it should already be in, so I should be starting to film it, hopefully. But this is going to be our October goals, which I have it written down right here. All right, so we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 goals that we're going to set. I usually do 5 goals, so that is what we're going to set up for today. All right, so the first one, let me just write down my... All right, first one is I want to sell 2 more items on eBay. I've been killing it on eBay, which I sold 3 total since I began doing it. Sell 2 items on eBay. The next one is going to be save $100 again. So this is going to be like kind of like a recap. Oh, I just did extra, not Christmas. Oh my gosh. $100 Christmas. And Black Friday again, because Black Friday is only a month away, you guys. I'm so excited. Third is save $100 towards college. Which I need, how much do I have left? Let's see. Or how much is in my saving? Oh yeah, we have $135 because I had to spend some for college. All right. And then, you guys, we're just going to do $25 towards. This is very sad. Oh my gosh, I'm so depressed right now. $25 towards debt. And then $5. Number 5 is going to be support 3 new subscribers. And I've supported so many people this past month. I can't think of them off the top of my head. But it's mostly doing with cooking because I love their grocery hauls and what they make during dinner. So if you know who I'm talking about, y'all will know who I'm talking about. If y'all watch my videos, y'all know who y'all are. All right, so let's get down to, let's put down 1 washi. All right, and just tear this. It's fine. All right, and we're going to do our boxes because I love doing boxes, if y'all don't know that. All right. Sell 2 items. That's going to go, we're going to do that last. All right, so Black Friday and here's, so how did I do it last time? Let's see. Okay. So we're going to do Christmas. And we're going to do Black Friday. You guys, I love these pens. They write so smoothly. So if you want to know, it's the Z Grip by Zebra. And I do the really thick one because I don't like the 0.5 or the 0.7s. I don't like those. I like the point. I think this is a point something. I don't know, but it's the thick one. It's bold. All right, so we want to do $100 again. All right. So each square is going to be $25 if y'all don't know that already. Or let's see, college. Will be $100. It would be nice to do extra because I'll have to, if I get into the nursing program, the books for the 2 years is like, $1,500. So yeah, that's not counting tuition, you guys. $1,500 just for the books. So we're just, I don't know. I don't want to get student loans, but if I have to, I will. All right, so then 1 square will be 24. Or we can just do like half or divide it by 4. So it'll be $6. So let's do there. I'm so extra. It's fine. All right, and then we're gonna do support. 3 new subscribers. All right, and then we're going to do 1, 2, and 3, and then I will let you know who they are, what they do. And then last but not least is sell 2 items on eBay. All right, and then we will just do 1 and 2 right here. So hopefully I can sell something. All right, you guys, so let me zoom y'all out if I have to. That is it for our October goals. So the recap for our October goals is to sell 2 items on eBay, save $100 for Christmas and Black Friday, save $100 for college, $25 towards debt, and 5 is support new subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, you guys, subscribe down below. And if y'all have a channel, let me know because I will support you guys. I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to be one of those subscribers that go and subscribe and not watch those videos. I will. Okay, I will. I promise. But this is our recap and our goals. I hope y'all are having a wonderful October 1st. Let me know down below if you are going to be doing any of these goals. Let me know what kind of goals you're going to be doing this year or for the rest of the year or for just this month. But without further ado, I hope I will see you guys later. And next time you will see me is during our weekly check-in, hopefully. If not, then our plan with me. So one of those videos will be posted, but I will see you guys later. Bye.